Hello students, welcome back to mathematics. This is chapter 11, Algebra. You can see here some branches of mathematics: arithmetic, geometric, algebra. These are the branches of mathematics. Now all the types of numbers, for example positive number 2, negative number -2, 0, fractions, decimal, all the types of numbers or dealing with these types of numbers comes under arithmetic. Now all the types of shapes, which may be 2D or 3D, two-dimensional or three-dimensional, all these shapes comes under geometric: rectangle, square, triangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, any these are the 2D shapes, and sphere, cone, frustum, cube, cuboid, these are 3D shapes. All these shapes comes under geometric. Now what is algebra? All the letters, you can use any letters from A to Z, all the letters comes under algebra. Now each letter in algebra is known as variable. Now let me ask you one question: why these letters from A to Z, why these letters are known as variables? Because they doesn't have any fixed value, which means if the value of letter A is equal to 5 in one problem, the value of A may be 1000 in another problem. So the value is not fixed. It may vary from one problem to another problem. Now let us learn the meanings of these expressions. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expressions. Let us learn how can we read these expressions, or what's the meaning of these expressions. Firstly, 7n. 7n means 7 is multiplied with the variable n. Secondly, x plus 10. X plus 10 means 10 is added with x. X may be with any value, it's a variable, so 10 is added with x. Here y minus 7 means 7 is subtracted from y. This is the meaning of y minus 7. If it is y minus 10, then 10 is subtracted from y. Here 10 by a. 10 by a means 10 divided by a. 7p minus 9 means firstly 7 is multiplied by p. Firstly 7 is multiplied with p, and then 9 is subtracted from that product. Firstly we multiplied 7 with the variable p, we got some answer. Now 9 is subtracted from that answer. Now let us learn how can we convert these text into expressions. Okay, first one, 12 is subtracted from z. Here 12, 1 2 is subtracted from z. So this is how we convert these meanings into expressions. Secondly, y divided by 8. Here y is divided by 8. In the third question, n is multiplied by 2. So write 2n. 2n means n is multiplied by 2 and 3 is subtracted from the product. Here 3 is subtracted from this 2n. 2n means the product. This is the final question for you. 25 added with x. Here 25 is added with the variable x.